10 Surprising Health Benefits of Apple Cider Vinegar. The amazing health properties of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has a lot of properties that make it an excellent natural remedy. Its use can provide incredible and healthy benefits to our health. In English, there is a saying that says, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away." This saying could also be applied to apple cider vinegar. 1 dose of apple cider vinegar a day keeps the doctor away. Apple cider vinegar is a type of vinegar that is made from apples, and it has a characteristic amber color. For centuries, it has been used for many purposes, making pickles, weeding, dressing salads, and other dishes, and even polishing armor. It is rich in minerals such as potassium, phosphorus, calcium, magnesium, and copper, as well as vitamins A, B1, B2, B6, C, and E, bioflavonoids, and pectin. In addition, thanks to the acetic acid it contains, apple cider vinegar helps the body absorb essential minerals from the food we eat. 10 Healthy Benefits of Apple Cider Vinegar. Note: for best results, use raw, unfiltered, organic apple cider vinegar. 1. Control blood sugar levels. Our body produces insulin to control the level of sugar in our blood. The anti-glycemic effects of apple cider vinegar help improve insulin sensitivity. People who have insulin resistance should take a dose of apple cider vinegar with every meal. Apple cider vinegar helps control blood sugar level. How to use apple cider vinegar to control blood sugar levels. Mix a small tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with a glass of filtered water. Drink this mixture 3 times a day to balance digestion, giving our bodies more time to process new sugars, and thus helping to keep our blood sugar levels more stable. 2. Whiten the teeth. Apple cider vinegar offers us a cheap and easy way to restore the natural white and shine of the teeth. In addition, it helps remove stains and kill bacteria from the mouth and gums. Apple cider vinegar for teeth whitening. How to use apple cider vinegar to whiten teeth. Do gargle in the morning with apple cider vinegar and then brush your teeth regularly. Eating apples regularly also helps, as the crunchy fruit scrubs and cleans your teeth like a natural toothbrush. 3. It is used to treat constipation. Apple cider vinegar contains pectin, a water-soluble fiber that stimulates bowel movements. This makes it a great treatment for constipation. How to use apple cider vinegar for constipation. Add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to a glass of water and drink 3 times a day. Apple or grape juice can be added to the mix as well to enhance the flavor. 4. Promotes weight loss. Regular consumption of apple cider vinegar, raw and unfiltered, can also promote weight loss because it is rich in acetic acid. Studies carried out on the subject in obese people found that obese people who consumed acetic acid daily for 12 weeks presented a significant decrease in body weight, abdominal fat, waist length, and triglycerides compared to those who did not consume it. Acetic acid also helps prevent the accumulation of body fat and certain liver fats. How to use apple cider vinegar to lose weight. Use it as a dressing for your salads. 5. Nourishes the hair and eliminates dandruff. A solution of apple cider vinegar and water, mixed in equal parts, forms an amazing natural conditioner. It helps nourish hair, giving it that shine and soft texture that we like so much. It is also an effective natural remedy for dandruff. Apple cider vinegar destroys the fungus that causes dandruff and balances the pH of the scalp. How to use apple cider vinegar to remove dandruff. For dandruff, we will mix apple cider vinegar with water in equal parts in a glass or boat. Once we have the solution ready, we will apply it to the scalp and let it take effect for at least 15 minutes, a maximum of 1 hour. After letting it rest, we will rinse with water. We can practice this remedy 2 times a week. 6. Gives intense shine to the skin. Apple cider vinegar helps treat skin blemishes, reduces wrinkles, and tones the skin. How to use apple cider vinegar for the skin. For stains, apple cider vinegar is a good natural astringent. Soak a cotton ball in apple cider vinegar diluted in water and apply directly to blemishes, to dry them, and help them heal. For wrinkles, soak a cotton ball in apple cider vinegar diluted in water and apply it directly to the areas that we want to treat. The vinegar will help to strengthen and plump the skin to prevent and reduce wrinkles. To tone, mix half a cup of apple cider vinegar with a cup of water and apply the solution to your face. Regular use of this solution will help maintain the pH balance in the skin and prevent various types of infections. 7. Fight leg cramps. Many people suffer from leg cramps, especially at night. Apple cider vinegar is rich in mineral content and helps reduce the frequency, intensity, and pain of leg cramps. How to use apple cider vinegar for leg cramps. When the cramp starts, we can drink some apple cider vinegar diluted in hot water. In a few minutes, the cramps will subside until they disappear completely. We can also add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to a glass of water with honey and drink the mixture little by little. 8. It is used to treat colds and/or coughs. Apple cider vinegar is one of the best natural remedies for the common cold, cough, and/or sore throat. How to use apple cider vinegar for colds. Mix a small spoonful of apple cider vinegar, 1 of honey, and another of hot water in a glass. Adding a little crushed or minced ginger will further enhance the medicinal properties of the mixture. Drink a small spoonful of this mixture, 3 times a day, to relieve coughs and nasal congestion. 9. Fight infections. The antiseptic properties of apple cider vinegar make it an effective natural remedy when it comes to fighting bacterial and fungal infections. It is very useful in treating ear infections, bladder, or even candidiasis. How to use apple cider vinegar for infections. For ear infection, rinse the ear with apple cider vinegar diluted in water. For bladder infection or yeast infection, drink a glass of warm water with 2 to 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar at night until the symptoms disappear. 10. Reduces cholesterol in the blood. Studies lead 2 outlets have shown that apple cider vinegar can help improve the lipid profile in the blood, by lowering the levels of triglycerides and bad cholesterol or low-density lipoprotein cholesterol, while increasing cholesterol good or high-density lipoprotein cholesterol. Therefore, it plays a very important role in preventing complications resulting from diabetes. I hope you like this video. Hit the like button and also press the bell, follow icon to get notified each time upload a new video. Thanks for watching, and are there any videos, in particular, you would like to see? Please let us know by commenting below.